today's video, we are going to be talking about how to merge and how to unmerge cells. Also, how to impute columns and how to impute extra rows in our Microsoft Excel worksheet. So like you all know that cells are intersection of what? Columns and what? Rows. Welcome to Pure Class. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification button so that when I upload awesome videos on how to explore your Microsoft Excel, you will be among the first to be notified. And also, if you have any comments or questions, drop it down in the comment section. Now let's dive into the video proper. Now in today's video, we want to talk about cells, how to merge cells. Cells are the intersection of what? Columns and rows. So this cell in the name box is called column A, row 1. So if I want to merge two cells, let's say I want to merge this cell and this cell and this cell. Okay, this one has been merged before, so I am going to choose another one. Okay, let's say I want to merge this cell and this cell. All I need to do is to select the two cells or three cells or four cells that I want to merge, or even more than. Then I'm going to come to this drop down menu, click on this drop down menu. If I want to merge and centralize, I click on merge and center. If I just want to merge the cells, I click on what? Merge cells. You can see the whole cells becomes one, so that once I type on it, I am going to have the whole cell to be having one cell. So Pure Class appears in what? One cell. So I'm going to click on it again, so that if I want to merge, I'm going to click on here and click on what? On merge cells. Once you click on merge cell, the alphabet or the content that you type will appear on the first word, the first cell of the word, entire cell. You can see that. So I want to merge and centralize. So if I merge and centralize, I'm going to have the Pure Class to be at the center of the word, the cells. Now what if I want to merge? If I want to unmerge, I click on the drop down menu and click on what? Unmerge cells. You can see that. What if I want to merge across? You can see that. I click on merge across. It goes straight to the first row of the word merge cells. But if I click on merge and center, it goes, okay, merge and center, it goes to the last row of the word merge cells. Let's look at it again. I have something like this, and click on merge cells. If I click on merge cells, all the cells become what? One. I can decide to give the cell a color and decide to give it color green. Now if I type on this cell Pure Class, I am going to be having type Pure Class. You can see that Pure Class. So, and I'm going to be having the Pure Class in that cell. Now if I click on merge cell, it goes to the first word, it goes to the first cell. Okay, it goes to the first cell here. So I can decide to reduce the Pure Class so that I will get the Pure Class to be visible. You can see that I'm reducing it to 9. You can see that. So it goes to the word first cells. Now if I decide to merge and centralize, okay, click on the whole cell. I select the cell again, select the cell again. So ensure you select the cells before you can be able to merge. Click merge and center. It goes down below. You can see that. Now let's unmerge it so that you see the difference. Now merge across takes it to the first row. You can see that. Merge it to the first row. So when you merge and centralize, it goes down below. When you merge across, it goes to the first row. So this is basically how you can work merge cells and unmerge cells. So let's look at how you can insert extra rows and columns. Let's say you have something like this, awesome. You have awesome, and you want to insert another row. Okay, let's say you have great, and you want to insert another row between great and awesome. All you need to do is click on the last row between click on the last row and click right click on your mouse and click on what? Insert. They'll ask you, do you want to insert entire row or column? Now I want to insert entire row. Click on entire row and click on what? Okay. You can see that I have extra row above awesome, in between great and awesome. Now let's assume I want to insert an extra column. Okay, let's say I have beauty, and I have beauty, and I want to insert extra column in between great and beauty. All I need to do is to click on beauty, right click, insert. Then they ask me shift cell right, shift cell down. I want to insert entire column. Click on entire column and click on OK. You can see that it has added extra what? Column to my worksheet. You can see that. That is how you can add extra column. Instead of you to delete the beauty or copy the beauty, cut the beauty out, I just what? Insert another what? Column. So this is basically how you can insert extra rows and extra what? Columns to your worksheet. So this is basic for the video. If you have any question, or suggestion on the next video, do what to drop it down in the comment section. And if you have any assignments or anything, you can send it to my email. Now if I want to clear the whole content, all I need to do is to select all the contents, right click on it and click on hit clear contents. Once I click on clear contents, all the contents I've typed will disappear except for the what? Merge cells. I have to remove the merge cell by myself. Click on merge cells, select this one, click on merge cells, and so on. You can see that I have to select this one and click on merge cells. So this is basically how you can insert extra rows and column, and how you can merge cells and unmerge cells. So also another way you can merge cell is to highlight on the cell, right click on what? Merge. Once you highlight, you click on what? Format cells. Once you click on format cell, you see merge cells. Under alignment, click on merge cell, click on OK, and it will merge cell. Again, when you have something like boy, okay, let's say you have pew and you have class, and you want to merge these two cells together, you highlight the two cells, but bear it in mind that when you highlight these two cells, the pew class is not going to appear, but the two cells will be merged. Rather, the only thing that will appear is the pew, which is the first thing by the left. It will only give you the first word or number or letter by the left. So if I click on merge now, I'm going to have merge and center. You can see merging cells only keep the upper left value and discard other values. You click on what? Okay. So this is it. You can see that even when you unmerge, the class won't also be there anymore. So if I click on unmerge cell, the class won't be there anymore, but the two cells will also appear. So this is basically how you can do that. Thanks for watching, and do have a